That close.
Do I want to be at the beach right now? Yes. You ready to make our floors?
Guess I have to be.
Going to be tracing out the floor cutout onto the plywood.
Are you ready, dear? Oh, we must be sure there's no turning back once we're out the door. Leave your message here on the telephone, 'cause we've no idea when we're
Just give me in already.
any season we go through. I'll be fine as long as I'm with you. Heaven knows, running round the world with you. When you smile, I smile too. How I ever made it without you. Heaven knows, heaven knows. I feel the weather changing, better get out soon. Don't let go of my hand, no matter what you do. Well, I'm here for you, through the thick and thin. We're on a winding road that never ends. Any place we wander to, any season we go through. I'll be
That close. Literally that close.
running round the world with you. When you smile, I smile too. How I ever made it without you. Heaven knows.
Cinnamon.
Breathe it in. Did you get some in your eye?
Well, fucking fit. Let's go. First try. It should fit. First try.
We were just
Damn it.
becoming friends. You took my hand for a dance, and I have loved you ever since.
Storm is on our heels and we'll be swept away. What you say?
Oh, yes.
Side, I can't believe you're mine.
Hello, hello. Another day, another Saturday. We're going to be working on the floors today. Currently at Home Depot. Andrew went inside to get a circular saw so we can make some nice clean cuts. I'm in the van chilling because it's that time of month for me and I don't feel like dealing with being in that store. Just feeling lethargic and tired. Do I want to be at the beach right now? Yes. Do I know I have to be working on our future home? Yes. There's Andrew now. Nice.
$170 later.
No way.
Yeah, dude, the
Jesus.
battery's $50.
I thought you were gonna get a plug-in.
They didn't have any.
Jesus.
It's like every tool now is fucking cordless.
I was basically saying, do I want to be at the beach right now? Yes, but I know we have to work on our future home. Now we're headed to my mom's. You'll see us at my mom's every Saturday because there's more space to work there. And we live in a 1-1 and the parking lot is super tiny. So just expect us to be driving to my mom's every Saturday.
Yay.
See you guys there. Andrew's polyurethane, just for that extra protection.
So this tip right here, this little corner, if you follow the line with that, that is like
Where it's cutting?
is the blade where it's cutting, yeah.
Okay.
You have to keep it held while you're pulling the trigger. So like your thumb's pushing this and your trigger's pulling the trigger.
Really? Yes, this thing's probably spent its whole life here.
We cut some of these. What are they? Like, apparently they're supposed to be 1x1s, but they're like points. What is it?
1x2.
1x2 quotes, but apparently none of these woods are actually the size they say they are. Just so you know. Bring a ruler. Where do you go if you need anything like this? We're gonna be going horizontal to give support for when our plywood or subfloor sits on top. Okay. Got the polyurethane, I think I said that right, drying on here. Realizing we're not going to be able to finish the framing of the floor. We need more wood for up there. But for now, since the sun's going to be going down soon and we're going to call it, we labeled where each wood piece will be going. Andrew had the brilliant idea to first number these horizontal ones and then do 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, move up. This row will be 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. And I kind of just marked with a pencil where we decided we wanted them with the beams. So yeah. Day 2 on the floors, complete.
In the books.
Wrapped up.
We pretty much have like a half day left on the floor, so
Yeah. So stay tuned.
yeah.